Alright, just had one of the young fellas bring me his Holden Commodore. I don't know, you Americans can work out what that is. The one with the V6. I think you guys had a Buick engine, we had a few of those over here. So the thing's got a few problems. We got an electrical leak, something keeps draining the battery. Something really interesting up there. Tie rod ends, rubbers and suspension are completely shot in the front. Back's not so much better probably. Haven't really done much back there, just took it for a drive. It's got no power. And I just found a vacuum leak here. Just having a look around, and that's probably why. See the movement? No one bothered to do the nut up. So I'll fix that. I'll go find a 12 or 14 mil, looks like a 14, and I'll get back to you. Alrighty, I just thought I'd take it apart a little bit, see how bad it is. It's wasn't even seated. And if you can see that under there, focus, there, it's meant to sit right down there like that. And then this little bugger flips around on top. So I'll get that together and we'll go from there.